The key to shedding pounds may be all in your head. A local doctor says he successfully treated more than 12,000 patients over 38 years. He boasts a 95% success rate and claims it's for those who have now hit rock bottom. Would you believe hypnosis is the method of treatment here? Meet two people who are extremely skeptical, yet collectively lost 165 pounds.
Oh my God, my knees were killing me, my ankles were real wobbly. It just made life harder to carry around all that weight.
I saw someone who was overweight, who I was unhappy with a protruding stomach, huge stomach.
Those self-images wore. No, they nibbled away at Debbie Casper and Tony Fontana's self-esteem. Both had tried every fad diet. So what was left? Hypnosis. Yes, that brainwashing, trance-inducing voodoo that so many call quackery.
He is slightly skeptical, but I thought I'd give it a shot.
I thought, the bell was going to go off and I was going to bark like a chicken. I'm a very hard-headed, stubborn individual. You can't hypnotize me.
Oh, but you can, and Tony was. After years of diet failures, he left his home office, his comforting kitchen, and experienced a hypnotherapy session with Dr. Bill Stiles. The same for Debbie. Both began to see the pounds melt away.
I like to say there's no booga 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 to it.
Dr. Stiles is a psychologist specializing in hypnotherapy. He boasts a 95% success rate, and he says he never once made someone cluck like a chicken.
The hypnosis part is allowing them to get into what's called the alpha state. That's a state where you're relaxed enough that you're super focused. That's the hypnosis part. And the words then go into the mind and they stick.
It's all in your head, so says Dr. Stiles, who likens it to reprogramming a computer, in this case, your brain.
The subconscious mind is all that perfect memory where the habits are stored, and it's like the hard drive on the computer.
A typical session will begin with 1 or 2 patients, maybe up to 15 patients relaxing here in these seats. No real tricks to be used here, but Dr. Stiles says sometimes he'll use this wheel. This is just to gain their attention, get their focus. Now, once he has you in that alpha state, that's when he begins to plant that seed that could potentially change your life. And there's one commonality that everybody talks about. All the clients who come through here, they talk about this mound of fat. This is 65 pounds. Coincidentally, this is what Dr. Stiles himself lost. It's visual, it's tangible, it's unforgettable. For Tony, it worked immediately. He says the day he left Dr. Stiles' office, he went directly to a graduation party where, of course, there was a huge spread.
Just something in my mind was saying, you just can't touch that. You have to go right past it, and I did.
For Debbie, it took about 10 days to adopt that powerful way of thinking. It's been 7 months now, and both have remarkable losses. Debbie, 85 pounds, Tony, 80 pounds. Not only have they regained a healthier lifestyle, but they have a new approach to life, and more importantly, a new self-esteem.
And now I'm in a size 10, which is, I wasn't even in that, 25 years ago.
It's just wonderful. It makes you feel just great. It makes you feel like you really accomplished something.
All right, you should know the hypnotherapy sessions come with an audio tape that you have to listen to for 40 minutes a day, every day, for 21 straight days. It helps ingrain the proper tools in the deepest recesses of your mind. And to prove a point here, let me try something with you here. Do you remember this? Plop, plop. Well, most of you can recall. The rest of that is fizz, fizz, oh, what a relief it is. That Alka-Seltzer commercial ran 27 years ago, yet you still remember it. Well, Dr. Stiles says hypnosis is nothing different. Reporting live, Keith Jones, KDKA TV News.